Hi, welcome to 1CW Question. I'm your host, Vince, VE6LK. Today with me is my very special guest, Ted Rachwal, K8AQM. Ted has been doing dits and DAWs since 1961. He has an interesting QRZ bio. I've linked into it below. Take a peek at it. He's participated in many DXPeditions, and he is, I dare say, almost world famous for his CW skills. Ted, thanks for coming along, being part of the project. What's your one best tip for a new CW operator?
Well, as you know, this is a hobby of communication, and it takes two people to communicate. I was very fortunate. My Elmer taught me years ago, don't get through the message, get the message through, which means slow down, get it right, send good code. That's my tip.
Absolutely brilliant. Ted, thank you so much for coming along. 73.
73.